Unlocking English. Understanding passive voice in different tenses. Hello, language learners. Today, we're going to delve into the fascinating world of English grammar, focusing on the passive voice. Specifically, we'll look at how we can use passive voice in different tenses. So, if you've been wondering what passive voice is, when and how to use it, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First things first, let's define passive voice. In English, sentences are usually constructed in two main voices: active voice and passive voice. We use active voice when the subject of the sentence is doing the action. But what about passive voice? Passive voice is used when the focus is on the action, not who or what is performing the action. The subject of the sentence is the recipient of the action, rather than the doer. Here's a simple example to illustrate. Active: the cat, subject; chased, verb; the mouse, object. Passive: the mouse, subject, was chased, verb, by the cat, agent. In the passive sentence, the mouse becomes the subject, and the focus shifts to it rather than the cat, who is doing the action. Just like the active voice, the passive voice can be used in different tenses, which we'll cover in detail in the following videos. Here's a quick glimpse. Present simple: the song is sung by her. Past simple: the song was sung by her. Future simple: the song will be sung by her. Present perfect: the song has been sung by her. Past perfect: the song had been sung by her. Future perfect: the song will have been sung by her. Remember, the tense does not change because we are using the passive voice. We're just changing the focus of the sentence. And that wraps up our introduction to passive voice in different tenses. We hope this video helps you understand the basics of passive voice and how it can add variety to your English expressions. Practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to start trying out these structures in your daily English. Until our next grammar adventure, keep learning, and happy studying.